Let's shift our focus now. The world has entered 2024 with cautious optimism.
Well, the outlook for the year does not seem very rosy, but is there hope at the end of the tunnel? We find out in this next report. Check it out.
We are now in 2024. The economy has been on a sticky wicket since 2020. The world is looking at 2024 with cautious optimism. Here's what JP Morgan's market outlook tells us about the year ahead. The chances of the US entering recession are low, but that doesn't mean the chances are nil. The US is expected to record weak growth, but a sharp economic decline is unlikely. The US and other developed countries have brought inflation more or less under control. That's a signal that the Fed could eventually cut rates, but only gradually. Other developed countries are likely to follow suit. But the large fiscal deficit and the new energy and industrial policies can derail the fight against inflation in the US. US equity markets will continue to remain flat after the 2021 highs. The market has already factored in a possible soft landing this year. Returns of US stocks are likely to be in single digits. But the magnificent 7 tech stocks will continue to dominate. Antitrust lawsuits, however, can spoil the party for big tech. China is likely to keep underperforming. The stock market gave negative returns to investors last year, and investor sentiment remains weak amid economic uncertainties. Only unorthodox measures will now kickstart a stock market and economic renaissance. All eyes will be on the US and Chinese economies, the Fed and the big tech firms. They together will decide how 2024 will pan out for the world. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.